Top 6 morning drinks that support kidney function. The kidneys play a critical role in maintaining the body's internal balance every day. They regulate fluid levels, filter waste from the blood, balance electrolytes, help control acid-base levels, and contribute to blood pressure regulation. Unlike organs that often signal distress early, the kidneys tend to work quietly in the background, which is why early daily support is often overlooked. Over time, inadequate hydration, frequent high sugar intake, excess sodium, chronic stress, poor sleep, and metabolic imbalance can gradually increase the workload on the kidneys. These factors may not cause immediate symptoms, but their long-term effects can slowly reduce kidney efficiency. Morning routines matter because the body is transitioning from an overnight fasting state. During sleep, fluid intake stops, mild dehydration develops, and kidney filtration naturally slows. Supporting hydration and metabolic balance in the morning helps create a healthier internal environment for the kidneys to function efficiently throughout the day. From a physiological perspective, morning hydration supports renal blood flow and glomerular filtration by restoring plasma volume after overnight fluid restriction. It is important to be clear that no drink can cure kidney disease or replace medical treatment. However, certain gentle, food-based morning drinks, when used consistently as part of a balanced lifestyle, may support hydration, circulation, and metabolic balance, all of which are important for long-term kidney health. This video focuses on simple, realistic morning drinks supported by nutritional science and traditional dietary practices. It avoids detox, flushing, or cure claims and emphasizes steady, sustainable support instead. Understanding kidney support through diet. Kidney health depends strongly on everyday physiological factors such as adequate hydration, stable blood glucose levels, healthy blood pressure, balanced electrolytes, and reduced oxidative stress in the body. The kidneys continuously filter the blood, removing waste products while carefully retaining water, minerals, and nutrients the body needs. This filtration process relies on proper blood flow, sufficient fluid volume, and stable metabolic conditions. What we eat and drink directly influences these systems. When the body is frequently dehydrated, blood becomes more concentrated, forcing the kidneys to work harder to filter waste and maintain fluid balance. High sugar intake can disrupt blood glucose control, which over time damages the tiny blood vessels responsible for kidney filtration. Excess sodium can raise blood pressure, placing additional strain on kidney circulation. Oxidative stress, often increased by poor diet and chronic inflammation, can further impair kidney tissue and function. Supportive drinks help the kidneys in gentle, protective ways. Their primary benefit is maintaining steady hydration, which supports healthy blood volume and efficient filtration. Many also support circulation and provide natural antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress in kidney cells and blood vessels. Importantly, these drinks avoid excess sugar, artificial additives, and strong stimulants that can increase metabolic load and strain filtration. This kind of steady, low-stress support aligns with how the kidneys function naturally. The kidneys are designed to work continuously under stable conditions, not extremes. Consistent daily habits therefore offer far greater long-term benefit than short-term detox or cleansing approaches. 1. Warm water, first thing in the morning. Warm water is one of the simplest and most effective morning habits for kidney support. After several hours of sleep, the body is mildly dehydrated and kidney filtration is slower. Drinking warm water helps restore hydration gradually and supports normal urine flow without overstimulating the kidneys. Warm water also gently stimulates digestion, indirectly supporting kidney function by improving nutrient absorption and metabolic efficiency. Compared to cold water, it is easier on the stomach in the morning and helps the body transition smoothly from rest to activity. Why it helps kidneys? It restores hydration and allows kidney filtration to resume efficiently without sudden stress. Recipe: take 1 glass of clean drinking water and warm it slightly until it is comfortable to drink, not hot. How to use: drink 1 glass shortly after waking, before tea or coffee. 2. Lemon water, light and well diluted. Lemon water is often associated with kidney health, but it should be used realistically and in moderation. Lemons contain natural citrate, which may help support urinary balance when consumed in small amounts. Lemon water also makes plain water more appealing, encouraging better hydration. It does not detox or cleanse the kidneys. Its benefit comes from supporting fluid intake without added sugar or artificial ingredients. Why it helps kidneys? It improves hydration and supports urinary balance through natural citrate. Recipe: add half to 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice to 1 glass of warm or room temperature water and mix well. How to use: drink slowly in the morning. Avoid large amounts if you experience acidity, reflux, or tooth sensitivity. 3. Barley water, plain and unsweetened. Barley water has traditionally been used as a gentle hydration drink in many cultures. It contains soluble fiber and plant compounds that support digestion and metabolic balance. By helping stabilize blood sugar levels, it may indirectly reduce metabolic stress on the kidneys. Barley water should always be consumed plain and unsweetened. For preparation, either whole or pearl barley may be used. Whole barley retains more fiber and nutrients, while pearl barley is more commonly available and cooks faster. Both are suitable. The leftover cooked barley can be eaten as part of a meal, adding dietary fiber that further supports metabolic health. Why it helps kidneys? It supports digestion and blood sugar balance, reducing indirect strain on kidney filtration. Recipe: rinse 1 tablespoon of whole barley and boil it in 2 to 3 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain and allow the liquid to cool slightly. How to use: drink 1 cup plain. Do not add sugar, honey, or flavorings. 4. Coconut water, unsweetened, small amount. Coconut water contains natural electrolytes such as potassium and magnesium, which help maintain fluid balance and circulation. Proper electrolyte balance supports healthy blood volume and reduces unnecessary kidney workload. Because coconut water is naturally high in potassium, it should be used in moderation and may not be suitable for everyone. Why it helps kidneys? It supports hydration and electrolyte balance when consumed in controlled amounts. Recipe: drink 1 small glass of fresh or packaged unsweetened coconut water with no added sugar. How to use: use occasionally rather than daily. Avoid if you have been advised to limit potassium intake. 5. Mild herbal tea, parsley, dandelion, or ginger. Mild herbal teas are traditionally used to support hydration and digestive comfort. Parsley and dandelion are often discussed in relation to urinary health, while ginger supports digestion and circulation. Parsley contains moderate oxalate levels, which may be relevant for those prone to calcium oxalate kidney stones. For this reason, parsley tea should be used occasionally and rotated with lower oxalate options such as ginger. Ginger tea is generally the safest daily option for most people. Why it helps kidneys? Herbal teas support hydration and digestion, indirectly easing kidney workload. Recipe: steep 1 teaspoon of fresh or dried parsley, or 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion leaves, or 3 to 4 thin slices of fresh ginger in 1 cup of hot water for 5 to 7 minutes, then strain. How to use: drink 1 small cup in the morning. Rotate herbs and avoid long-term daily use of a single herb. 6. Light green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that help manage oxidative stress affecting blood vessels and kidney tissues. When brewed lightly and consumed in moderation, it may support metabolic and cardiovascular health. Green tea is best prepared with hot but not boiling water, ideally around 80 degrees Celsius (176 degrees Fahrenheit). Boiling water can release excess tannins, making the tea bitter and irritating on an empty stomach. Why it helps kidneys? It helps reduce oxidative stress when consumed moderately. Recipe: steep half a teaspoon of green tea leaves or 1 tea bag in hot, not boiling, water for 1 to 2 minutes only. How to use: drink after initial hydration. Avoid strong brews or drinking on a completely empty stomach if sensitive. Drinks to limit in the morning. Sugary fruit juices, sweetened teas, energy drinks, and excessive coffee early in the day can disrupt hydration balance and increase metabolic strain on the kidneys. Repeated blood sugar spikes and excessive caffeine may stress kidney filtration, especially when consumed without prior hydration. The goal is mindful reduction and better timing, not strict elimination. Who should be careful? People with chronic kidney disease, kidney stones, elevated potassium levels, diabetes, high blood pressure, or those taking medications should consult a healthcare professional before changing fluid intake or adding herbal drinks. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should also seek guidance before regular use of herbal beverages. Morning drinks can support kidney function, but they are not treatment or medicine. The kidneys benefit most from steady hydration, balanced meals, controlled salt and sugar intake, adequate sleep, stress management, and regular physical movement. Small, consistent habits practiced over time create a healthier internal environment for the kidneys far more effectively than extreme or short-term approaches. Long-term kidney health is built through balance, patience, and consistency.